All the content on this channel is for education or entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always remember to conduct your own research. So in today's video, we're going to be running through my net worth video for November. Very interesting one because I have now switched all to dollars and the portfolio is growing very nicely. So we will get right into it. We are going to be using the Cashflow King Toolkit to do this. So this will be great. I'll be doing it from scratch so people can use this inside the picture. They can see how I am using it too. So let's have a quick look to my dashboard then. So as we can see, this is the portfolio allocations that I have moved to. So if we look, we've got growth stocks at 60%. So I just do high conviction stocks. I don't hold any ETFs like the S&P or the NASDAQ. High conviction, I invest in between 10 to 15 usually. Then we have income ETFs. NAV stability ETFs only. There's no eroding inside this portfolio. 25%. Using my 5-part framework is what we stick to. Anything doesn't hit all targets on the 5-part framework, I do not put it inside my portfolio. Then we have 10% crypto, and then we have 5% in precious metals. You can see my portfolio review inside the Patreon. So let's get to it. Let's jump into the net worth tracker. So as you can see, we can actually change the currency right here. So for example, this is in pounds now. Mine is in dollars, so we will move the dollars. The current net worth that I am wanting to hit is 1 million. So we'll change it to that. The monthly income, probably wanting to get about 10,000. Let's just leave it with that. I'm not really too fussed about the income right now as I am in my growth stage. A good example would be this week alone, just on the growth of my growth stocks, the portfolio went up over $10,000 without me adding any more money in. That is because it is now 60% growth, high conviction. I have a lot of money inside these growth stocks now. Most of the growth stocks have got over $10,000 into each. So when they go up 10, 15%, which Broadcom went up something around 12% this week, it really does do its thing. So let's start looking at these stats now then. So we'll go with, we started in July. We have the stats for July. So we have 96,338. This is all in dollars, remember. The monthly income was 2,650. Then in August, we have 104,930. The monthly income for August was 3,368. September was $109,978. Your monthly income was $3,869. October we had 140. So this is when I switched everything over to the dollars version. Interactive Brokers, Alpaca, everything got switched from the UK one. And this is when I put growth in there. And this is when I really switched it at a great time because all the markets went down. I think we peaked in October. And I think from then, when I switched my portfolio over, we actually switched it at the right time because the market was down massively and my portfolio really did look bad for a while. But then recently we've started slowly going back up and we're really starting to see it shine now. So the monthly income was $4,835 in October. So this is when I had a lot of the high yield ETFs inside there. So I switched everything over to Interactive Brokers and Alpaca, but I didn't follow the 5-part frame. That's why you're seeing this monthly income is pretty high. Since October to November, we switched everything to growth and we're really seeing it shine, really seeing the value going up. But one downside is following the 5-part framework, my income has gone down because it's got rid of a lot of these high yield ETFs. So now the income is only 2,000, but what you got to think is the income is down, but the growth is absolutely flying. We've gone up $80,000 in value on the portfolio. Yes, I've put a lot of money into it, but a lot of that is also growth. Like I said, this week, just on growth, I've gone up over $10,000, which is absolutely amazing to see. So the strategy is absolutely working. We had precious metals up, we had Bitcoin up, all my growth stocks up, everything working in conjunction with each other. But with this net worth tracker, as you can see, I've really simplified it. As before, we had the different accounts on there. We had the crypto, we had the UK ISA, we had the US, etc. So now what it does is the portfolio value, whatever month it is, your liabilities, your monthly income, your net worth, and then it will track your current status. So these targets that you've put in, it really simplifies it because it has now given you your current status for the net worth goal that you have set. So I've set $1 million. I want 10,000 in monthly income. You can change these targets as and when you feel. It just changes the numbers for you. So net worth 180,000 right now. That is my current net worth. And the annual income is $24,648. So my freedom number is actually 21% and the net worth progress is 18%. So depending on the allocations you set in your portfolio, you can change these numbers as and when you want to, so you can see when you're going to be free. And I think this is absolutely amazing. And this is why I put this monthly income trend on the side here as well. And I think it really motivates you to really push and do better. I did this spreadsheet because I see a lot of people struggling with tracking. Tracking is one of the things that makes me motivated. And I don't show a lot of people everything on video, everything I track. I've got spreadsheets all over the place. But the motivational side of investing, that's what makes you really consistent. And I think this is exactly what is needed. And also, I think it's very hard to find somewhere where you can track everything in one place. For example, if you've got crypto, stock market, you may have rentals, etc. You can put all this together in your portfolio, in your net worth. And it's very hard to find a place to put all that, for example, like Snowball. If you've got rentals, you can't put it on your portfolio value in there. It's hard. You can set a value for like crypto, for example, but it's not perfect. See, with this, you can put it all in there. It's very motivational as well, because now you can see in July, I've gone from 96,000 all the way to 180,000 in the space of just short of 6 months. So I've nearly doubled my net worth. By Christmas, I would have doubled my net worth. And it's absolutely amazing to see. Absolutely amazing. This last 3 months, I've done really good in the stock market. And it just proves that my strategy is working. The 60, 25, 10, 5 strategy is absolutely working. I think we need to look at the bigger picture when we're looking at things in the stock market. Don't just look at your monthly income. Don't just go for the highest yielding ETF, because it doesn't grow your net worth over time. Yes, your monthly income looks absolutely great, but if you follow the 5-part framework like I've been doing for the last couple of months, it really does excel your portfolio. And especially when you start getting to these bigger numbers. If you want to take your investing to the next level, join my Patreon below, where you'll get the full portfolio reviews of my allocation strategy playbook that will be the complete wealth building guide. Also, if you are struggling as a European investor on how to buy US ETF, I cover all this inside my Patreon. I also do masterclasses on conviction and goal setting. You will also get the private Discord server when you sign up. You will get every article deep dive delivered straight to your inbox, and you also get my complete database on US and UK high yield ETFs. And on top of all that, I also post my buys and sells on a weekly and monthly basis. So if that is something that interests you, let's build generational wealth together. Link is in the description below. I would advise anyone to follow the 5-part framework when they're trying to combine all the different strategies. So we'll just have a quick look at the strategies that we actually talk about inside the Patreon. The 5 strategies to financial freedom. I did a 40-minute lesson on these 5 strategies last week. So we have the 100% growth, which is things like index funds, drawing away 4%, or you can do high conviction growth stocks, which will then be at 20% per year, which shortens the time frame even more. Then you have 100% income, which you are just investing in high yield ETFs, which average around 12%. Yes, you can get higher, but when we're talking NAV stability and we're talking drawing away from your portfolio safely, this is why we say at 12%. More can be achieved over time. Then we have this hybrid 60-40 strategy, which is 6% growth, 40% income. Then we have the floor first strategy. So with this strategy, I built this strategy for one of my Patreon members. I'm not going to mention his name, but this strategy alone, we've been working together for probably 12 months now, and none of the strategies really fitted into his scenario. So I made this floor first scenario for this member, and he wanted to get some income first, and then he was thinking he wanted to grow his net worth after, and I was trying to tell him to go into growth first, do this, do that, and it didn't really sit well with him. So what we did is we built a floor first. He's going to get 2,000 in income first, and then go into growth, and then keep building income after once he's at his net worth value. So this is why this exists. Then we have the dividend growth strategy. Everyone knows the dividend growth strategy, where you have 3% yield growing at 10% a year. So these are all the strategies that we talk about. So if this is something that interests you, join the Patreon and we will see you inside. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments of my net worth growing this much. It's really great to see, and I'm going to be hitting $1 million sooner or later in the next couple of years by the sounds of it. And I hope all you're there to see me hit it, because it's going to be absolutely amazing. When we started this channel originally, I was on £30,000 and now we're on $180,000. So yeah, nearly 20% towards my net worth of being a millionaire, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. In the past, I've had quite a lot of questions asking how I actually keep track of all my payouts, my dividends, and my portfolio snowballing each month. I use Snowball Analytics. It pulls everything into one dashboard so I can instantly see my cash flow strategy is really working. If you want to try this for yourself, I've got 10% off for you. Just use my code CashflowKing below. Links in the description. All right, let's jump back into the portfolio review.